Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Forex and today I have this trade on GBPUSD. Now if you take a look at this, I was able to determine this direction of the market using the fair value gap from the 5 minutes time frame. So I was able to jump into the trade immediately, because if you take a look at this, you see that I have this series of displacement to the upside, and you can see this fair value gap. I believe you see this gap, this red candle here that has a wick, the upper wick, the gap between the upper wick of this red candle here and the third candle, the lower wick of this third candle here. So there is a gap here. So market took out these equal lows from the 5 minutes time frame. Let me show you how it happened. You see all these lows are liquidity in the market. So market came back down and took out the lows. At the same time, it tapped into this fair value gap. So it tapped into the fair value gap. So what do you do when you see this kind of setup? You can scale down to a lower time frame, that's 1 minute time frame. Then you can find maybe a smaller QM or head and shoulder, just a reversal pattern, and then that's to add as an extra confirmation. Then you take a trade. Now if I go down to, let me zoom in first. So this is the fair value gap. Then if I move to the right side, you see how the market taps into the fair value gap. Though I missed the entry immediately, that was why I took this trade using a breaker block. So that's what I want to teach on this video today, how I missed the main entry and then was able to take the trade using a breaker block. So immediately I went down to 1 minute time frame. Now you can see. So don't forget the secret I usually tell you guys, the line chart. So this is the big order block, or the fair value gap block from 5 minutes time frame. See how the market tapped into it. So what pattern do you see here now? Alright, let me change it to the line chart. Now guess what you see here. What are you seeing? Is this not the QM pattern? Is this not it? And the market came back down to the right shoulder, right? And then went up. So let me put back to the candle. So since I missed this particular entry, and as you can see, I have another order block there, the 1 minute order block. And you can see how nicely the market tapped into this order block from the 1 minute time frame, as well giving us the right shoulder of the Quasimodo before going up. So since I missed this, why did I take the trade from this place? It's because of this breaker block. Because usually, if you have been following my videos, I believe you must have understood this breaker block, how it works. So I'm going to take out these lines so as to make the screen clear. I'm going to just leave this one because I'm still going to use it. Now you see what a breaker block means is that, okay, as the market gave us this right shoulder and was about going up, do you see this movement, displacement? Like, you see these candles are bigger and it went up straight. No, it didn't slow, or it wasn't. They are all big, right? This massive jump or spike to the upside is called displacement. So when you see market moving this fast and with these long candles, it means displacement. So as the market was moving, it was supposed to come to this left side. You see this? There's a supply zone there, right? There's a supply zone here. So when the market was moving up, it was supposed to come here and then respect this supply zone, but it didn't respect it. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Let me zoom in. So this is a supply zone. So after the market had given us the right shoulder of the Quasimodo and was about going up, right? It was supposed to respect this supply zone here, but it didn't respect it. It just went up straight. So whenever market fails to respect a supply zone or maybe a demand zone, depending on the setup, it must come back to it. And that zone, that supply zone, in this case now, this supply zone that failed, we turn demand. It's more like a support and resistance. So now if I take this to the left, to the right side, you see that the market failed to respect the supply and now it turned demand. And this is called a breaker block. So immediately I spotted this, I took the entry. Now you can see how clear this is. So I believe you understood what I mean. First of all, you look for zones that the market is going to respect, probably from the higher time frame. You don't really need to go far. Maybe normal, it's good to do your top down analysis, but when you are not seeing anything uh, meaningful from the, let's say, daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, up to 1 hour 30 minutes, then probably you will see something from 15 minutes downwards. So as you can see, this particular market, I only use 5 minutes and 1 minute to spot my entry and the direction of the market. Then using your reversal patterns, you can make out something from the trade. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.